Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today is Sculpture Day. So today in class, we read a story called What Do You Do with an Idea? I highly recommend checking out this book before we start our Sculpture Day if you haven't already read it. It's linked in the playlist here, but you can also just check out YouTube and there's a couple read alouds that you can listen to. So What Do You Do with an Idea is a beautiful, beautiful story about nurturing your ideas no matter how weird or silly they might seem. And so today I'm going to be giving you some prompts. I'm going to be giving you some general prompts. So for example, one might be how to reach something that's way up high. You can't reach it, and I want you to invent something or create something that can help you reach that item. So I want you to think for the prompt, and I want you to remember that no idea is too weird or too silly, and I want you to sculpt your invention. So today, the materials that I'm going to be using are Wiki Sticks. These are an awesome waxy string that can be reused over and over again, so these are great for Sculpture Day. I'm going to be using Play-Doh, different colors. These are easy to find. Hopefully you have some at home. I'm going to be using a few popsicle sticks as well. These are great both as a material for your sculpture but also as a tool. You can use these to make lines or scoop the Play-Doh out if you're having trouble. So popsicle sticks. A straw. Next time you go get something to drink when you're out and about, don't throw that straw away. Save the turtles. Bring it home, wash it out, rinse it out, and you can use this as sculpture materials. This is great for connecting two things together. You can actually weave your Wiki Sticks through the center. You can cut these if it's too long. You can cut it shorter. And my favorite use is you can use the circle that's at the end to actually stamp onto your Play-Doh to create perfect circles if you want polka dots. Last but not least, I have some pipe cleaners as well in different colors. These are another great reusable art tool that you can use for your sculptures. Now, if you do not have everything that I have, maybe you have none of the same things that I have, you can still make this sculpture project. You just might need to think creatively about some of the materials that you do have access to. Recycled materials would be a great place to start. If you want to go through the recycling bin, find some old cans or cereal boxes that you can use for your sculpture. That's always a great idea. Additionally, aluminum foil. It's one of my favorite sculpture materials. It's pretty cheap and most of us have it at home somewhere in our kitchen. So aluminum foil would also be a great idea as well. So go ahead and grab whatever materials you do have access to, and let's get started coming up with some very fun ideas for 3 different prompts. Let's get started. everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas, that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.